Pitter. I'm going to tell you about the Alimtox Ion Cell Cleanse, Ion Generator. It is a single device with two different electronic components that come off. The first one is an electrode which we use to separate oxygen from hydrogen. We place this in the water like so. The second one is an electrode that's placed on the wrist. This electrode will pass negative currents through the body, right wrist for women, please. Negative currents through the body. The negative currents will cause what's stuck together or stuck to this person to dislodge or become loose. In the water, we'll be producing ions. We do that by separating hydrogen from oxygen, and we use a tiny bit of salt to create the ions. Sodium produces positive ions, chloride produces negative ions. So as long as she is touching this water with any part of her body, she'll have ions passing through her body. During that time, we'll be running this other current through her body, which causes what's stuck together or stuck to the inside of her body to become loose. The loose particles are naturally attracted to the ions, so they cluster, and your kidneys process it all out, and that is how we get your blood clean, like you see on the video screen. Hence the name Cell Cleanse. We will get some color in the water. A lot of the color comes from the electrolysis process, a combination of reaction between the salt and the metal in the array. But some of the color in the water comes from the person. Our feet are a huge elimination point. A lot of the heavy stuff settles here because of gravity, and we have thick skin and big sweat glands in our feet. So a little bit of what our body's been trying to eliminate lately is actually in that skin and the sweat glands, and that will enter the water, and we'll be able to identify those items. And it's interesting to see what comes off of our feet, but that is not what makes Alimtox work. What makes Alimtox work is what happens to the blood. You want to compare this to reverse osmosis. You want to compare it to chelation. It's a way to clean the blood.